30 lemons for $10 I got from Jeffros. Yes, I went to Jeffros because they're open to the public. I have some bacon. I got some fish. I have got some chicken wings, ground beef, and I have some these lemons and a gang of bell peppers at a great price at Jeffros um, restaurant warehouse, open to the public. And here's all my 40 pounds of chicken wings that I have to sort out and bag up to put in the freezer. It was 99 cents a pound. I got 40 pounds of chicken wings. This is my Jeffros warehouse grocery pantry freezer grocery haul, the last one, because my freezers are full to capacity, and this is what I bought. Hello guys, I am back because I wanted to share something I got in my pantry haul that I never tried before and that I am totally enjoying. They're called Jupiter berries. They smell strange whole, but when you burst them open or pop them open, crush them open, they have a smell like the peppercorns to me, and I like that. I really love that, so I really like this, flavoring my food up with some juniper berries. And as far as qualities they have for health reasons, look it up, Google it. And I also love this chili powder by this company. I got some smoked paprika. I have cardaway seeds, whole cloves, dill weed, sesame seeds. I have some fennel seed. And the other day, with some of my spices, I made some homemade Worcester sauce. Yeah, you guys should try it. Look up a recipe and try to make your own homemade Worcester sauce. The reason why I made it myself is because some of the people, they put natural flavorings and some kind of corn product, and I don't want to eat that. So I just made my own, and that's better for me because I know what's in it and it's very tasty. I seasoned my meats up with it. I cooked some neck bones the other day and it was dynamite. It was delicious with my homemade Worcester sauce. Only thing I would want to see what the ingredients is, because in Worcester sauce they have anchovy and fish sauce. So I need to see if anybody know in the comments, write in the comments if you know what ingredients are in fish sauce or the anchovies that they use to also flavor up Worcester sauce, because I would want to try that. But anyway, it was still good that the way I made it without the fish sauce and the anchovies. And also I have some whole nutmeg, curry powder, ground cumin, ground mustard, big old thing of garlic powder, chives, onion powder, big old black pepper. I also have the peppercorns. Also, my husband and I, we snuck out and went to Jeffros because on the 15th, 13th, 14th, Wednesday, they are saying, I heard on the news, they supposed to be depositing folks stimulus checks because of the coronavirus. Jeffros, I don't think that they take food stamps or anything. They take debit and credit cards like that and stuff. And the debit card goes through like a credit card. But anyway, on the 15th, if you do, please, if you do get your money deposit, your stimulus check, woohoo! Then if y'all got a Jeffros or Restaurant Depot, they are now giving you a pass. They're giving passes to the public because this store normally is just open to restaurants and grocery stores, whatever. But now, because of the virus, Jeffros and Restaurant Depot are allowing customers from the public to come in and shop until the 15th. Not to shop until the 15th, but I said that meat sale, what is it, 99-cent chicken wings, legs. They had 65-cent chicken breasts, all kind of great, amazing deals on the meat. I got some ribs. My husband and I, we got ribs, some ground beef, big old box of bacon. like 15 packs. It did cost a little money. It cost about over $40, but I got a lot of that bacon. It was delicious. We had some for breakfast this morning, but it was so much bacon, like 15 packs. You cannot beat 15 packs for $40-something. Anyway, I hope some of y'all do have the chance to get to Jeffro's or Restaurant Depot, because the meat sale does end on the 15th, but maybe they might have some more good deals after that. And like I said, they said you can come in there as many times as you want with the pass. I don't know if they meant once a day or whatever, but you have to bring your ID, and then when you come in there to the guest counter, and then they give you a piece of paper, a pass, and you give that to the checker. And oh, it's 2 people that are allowed in that store. You must, I'm in Southern California, and we gotta wear masks. I'm sure if y'all want to be safe, wear a mask, gloves, hat, garments, and cover yourself up. And don't forget, when you get back home, I'm not telling you what to do, but you need to wash all that stuff and sterilize yourself. I spray Lysol, and I need to stop because that stuff is making my throat. It's irritating my throat when you spray too much of that Lysol. But anyway, I'm rambling, but I just wanted to share. I'll show you guys. I guess I took those pictures, and I'll just show you the picture because I know I'm making another video in a row, because yesterday I showed y'all what's in this junky pantry, and I'm just holding this camera in front of here for now. But anyway, that's it. That's all. Everybody stay safe. Thanks for watching.